Right, so we've got a bit of rain here. But I'll show you quickly, I don't want to get too wet here, how quick the rain falls off these tiles. It streams off. Compared to ceramic or stone, cement, whatever they're made of, it sort of like absorbs into the stone before it starts rolling off. This rolls off straight away, and we have a very good flow, an extremely good flow. So that's why I wanted the plastic to get as much rainwater off as possible, as well as getting the highest quality rain off as well. So I will, in fact, what I'll do, let's get some readings, while we're here. I haven't washed the roof yet, but got me TDS here. So what I'll do, I should get a better reading once it's... Hello, Pez, you right? Hey? Yeah. Let's go and get some water. It's not a cleaned roof yet, but we can just fill up that. There we go. Put it over here. Sometimes you've got to take a couple reads, because I've got tap water that was in there before. At the moment we got 3, and 3 is extremely good. Let's try one more time. Might be lower. Now it's diluted a bit inside, and now I've got 2. So that's the quality of water I'll be getting off my roof. It's nearly pure as it is coming off this roof. So distilled water. It will be deionized as well. Absolute perfect window cleaning water. And all I've got to do now is collect it, store it, and it's happy days for me.